took my first breath where the muddy Brazos spills into the Gulf of Mexico, where the skyline is covered by the chemical plants that puts the bread on the table of the working man. Well, the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for his kids and a wife, giving a little of the soul every day, making overtime to keep the wolves away. Well, I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French-owned tanker ship, spilling poison into Galveston Bay. Well, the liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes, it silenced any moans or cries. Through the cold and the grit and the damn stinking pain, when he fought like hell to keep the wolves away. For the next few years, Dad was sick as a dog. He made a recovery just to spite the odds. The settlement came and we moved out of town, where the sky wasn't heavy with refinery clouds. Well, he's doing good, still alive and in his 50s. The money's running out and he's pinching for pennies. So I'm going broke for every song I play, 'cause it's my turn to keep the wolves away.